It's a 2004 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. Equal parts suave and stout, this multitasking Silverado is a powerful personality. It comes with all the amenities you need: automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, driver selectable mode, aluminum wheels, AM/FM stereo radio, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, front tow hooks, sport suspension, auto dimming rearview mirror, and Vortec engine. CarPoint.com explains the supple ride has been improved to a higher comfort level even with an empty pickup bed. In a Chevy, the journey matters more than the destination. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
So come visit us on the Motor Mile, where you're always a name and never a number. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 200 Motor Lane in Christiansburg, Virginia.